So I've loved the Scrub Daddy before, but I've never tried the Scrub Mama, and I really want to try it out, what it makes it so different. So what truly makes this different is that it has the soft absorption side, but it has a traditional Scrub Daddy, which is a firm when cold scrubbing side, but a soft when hot side. So I find that this really scrubs super well, that this is really safe on my nonstick kind of kitchen pots and pans, and that this is super long lasting, but you can kind of use these different holes to kind of like, one, to hold on to everything, to really get a good grip on the sponge, but that you can really like use this to get like forks and spoons. You can use the mouth and really kind of get into every crevice. But I love that too. It comes in a 3-pack, so I'm easily able to keep some things in other places around my house, because I find I'm always needing extra sponges. So if you're looking for a sponge and you haven't tried the Scrub Mama, this is definitely something you need to check out.